Hello guys, today I'll show you how to use battery saver. What is battery saver? So to find it, click here and type setting. Here, click on system, scroll down this battery, yeah. So this is battery saver, meaning when your battery is going low, so the system will limit the background activity to save your battery a little bit longer. So when you click all of this, it will save, it will limit all other apps in your computer. So it will run uh, little battery than before. So it will reduce battery and then the battery will last longer a little bit than before. Yes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.